Hello everybody, today's tutorial by explaining how to use the second step, which is configured menu. First I will click set as default button for mobile system project. To start adding menus, go to step 2. Before start explaining this step, I have some notes to tell you about the second step, which is some pages will create automatically, such as users and user type, and it builds automatically inside the administrator menu. So click on add main menu button to start adding menus for the system. Fill in the menu name and then click on the save button. You have to create all menus you need for your system one by one. Watch how I am going to add all my mobile system menus. Now I have been configured all my menus successfully. Here are they. You can follow up your work by watching the live view by click on live preview here. Then right click on the mouse, and select reload frame. You will see here the system how will look after generating it. Thank you for watching.